Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is a Dollar Tree haul and it's mostly fall items. I've got a couple of essentials in there, but it's mostly fall items or things I found in the fall section of the store. And my stores have kind of been lacking a little bit lately in the fall decor. So today was kind of the first time I really saw quite a few things. So anyways, I'm super excited to share them with you. If you are new to my channel, first of all, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. And if you love Dollar Tree oriented makeup and haul content, I love to do a lot of that type of stuff as well as walkthroughs and all that kind of thing. So if that sounds good to you, I do hope that you'll subscribe and hit that bell and become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. And of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for returning for another haul. And I do have a current giveaway going on, whether you're new or have been with me for a long time and this is the first video you're seeing in a while. I will have that video linked down below in the description box as well as pinned in a comment. So that video will tell you the rules on how to enter and all that good stuff if you are interested. I will also have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below in the description box. That way you can binge watch more videos like this. So without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's haul video. So the first few items, I'll just get them out of the way. They're just a couple essential items that I tend to always pick up at the Dollar Tree. The first being this lighter. I love these for $1. You absolutely cannot beat the price. It doesn't have that annoying, I guess it's a child-proof thing. I don't have children, so it doesn't matter, but it doesn't have that really annoying way of trying to light it. It's just a little, you know, and it's just, these are the best. You cannot find them $1 anywhere else, so this is a staple from the Dollar Tree for me for sure, so I picked up another one of these. I also picked up another one of these shatter-resistant screen guards, the tempered glass screen protectors, you know? And I have an iPhone 7 Plus, so I got the one that fits my phone, and I think this is the third one I have purchased. My screen protector has cracked just a little bit and it's a little bit cracked around the edges. So in a little while, probably not today or tomorrow, but I'm gonna replace this. These do work. Obviously, I have cracked a couple of these already and my phone is still intact. So for $1, these work. Again, they're not a guarantee, you know, they're not a guarantee, but they have worked for me and a couple other YouTubers that I have seen these on their channels and stuff. So yeah, awesome product from the Dollar Tree. So then another thing, kind of a staple for me, are these Luminescence 4-piece scented votive candles, and I got the fresh linen. I usually get the vanilla or this one. Sometimes I'll get the red one for like fall and stuff, but I find one of these lasts me about 3 evenings. So I just, in a pinch, I will pick up a 4-pack of these at the Dollar Tree. So I really like these. I do want to try to buy like a big packet on like Amazon or at Walmart or something like that, but in a pinch, these work really well for some of the candle holders that I have. And kind of the last essential item is this spray bottle. I actually just broke the one that I've had for a few years. This here kind of broke, and I just kind of keep like a mixture of like water and conditioner, and I'll spray my wigs. And so, yep, so I just replaced, I have the same exact one, just replaced it. Really a very nice spray bottle. For $1, you can't beat it. I actually have a video that I did some time ago of like 10 things I always try to buy at the Dollar Tree. A couple of those items are on that list. I will have that video linked down below if you're interested in just those items that I always try to get at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, have that link down below if you're interested in seeing that. So yeah, now we're gonna move on to like the fall decor and all that good stuff. So I found these and they had one color that I did not purchase, and I actually bought 2 of the same one. So they're actually these little, and I'm gonna kind of fix these little bows, but they're actually these like little wooden signs. This one says Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. And I actually got 2 of these. Then I got this kind of lighter orange. It's Gather with Grateful Hearts. Then I got Eat, Drink, and Give Thanks. This is like the mint green one. They had like a darker orange one, but I did not buy that. I thought these colors went really nice together, and so like I might do where I have the 2 cream ones on the outside and have the green one in the middle, or put something like that. I just felt these colors would be the best for my house, so I bought 4 of those. And I actually have like an entire collection of like little glass and like sequin pumpkins from the Dollar Tree that I set out every fall in different ways. So I think I've actually already got one of these, but I picked up two more because I've redecorated my house, so this kind of goes better with my color scheme. So I picked up two of these like cream pumpkins. Our last name begins with a B, so I saw this and thought it was really, really, really pretty. And it looks like wood, but it's like a, I don't know, like a PVC or like a plastic or something, but it's pretty heavy. So I just thought like maybe these would look nice like together, like having these glass ones like on either side or something like that. So I bought 3 of these little pumpkins. And then I'd always seen these, but I've never bought them before, but I bought 3 of these little straw bales, and they're just little tiny little hay bales. So I was thinking, you know, I can put them somewhere and then put like the pumpkins on top and just kind of have them around for when that time comes when I decorate for fall, which is just gonna be in a couple of weeks. We did open up our home. If you don't know, if you haven't been on my channel for a long period of time, we just opened up our home. And so we have more space to decorate now, which is really nice. So I love decorating for fall. So yeah, I bought 3 of those. And then I think I actually have a couple of these already. I think, I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, I do have a collection of pumpkins, but they had these really pretty little glitter pumpkins. So I actually bought 3 of this shade. It's kind of like a, I don't know, kind of like a gold, slightly rosy or so. But I got 3 of these. And then I got 2 of these darker kind of brown glitter ones. And I just thought the colors were gorgeous. I just thought the colors were really, really like pretty together. So I've got 3 of one, 2 of the other between that, the hay bales, everything I got. I'm sure I have way too much fall decor to even put out, even though I have more decorating area. I'm sure I still have way too much. So I have always been terrible at making flower arrangements, and I'm a very big believer in just buying the plant, but I have gotten better at it. So now I will buy the plant, but I will also try to do my own as well. Probably still against my better judgment, but so I bought some more kind of faux flower type of things. And so I bought 4 of these. These are the mums or chrysanthemums. That's what the label is. And I thought it was just a very pretty flower. So I bought 4 of those. Then I bought 1 of these marigolds. It's kind of similar but different, you know. And then I bought 1 of these. This is a sunflower, and it's got like the burlap in it, which I thought was super, super pretty. So my thought is, you know, when they come together, it'll just be kind of this, of course they'll all be separated. It'll just be this variation of like creams and stuff. So I got 6 total that I can work with. And I'm sure I did not need this, but in a pinch, because I wasn't sure, I bought yet another one of these like glass like pillar jars. So those will go in here, and I will cut, like I just got some different floral foams. I'll cut them and put them in there so that the flowers have something to stick to. I also bought some floral tape. I've never used floral tape, but I thought it could be a good idea. And who knows, I might not even use the foam. I don't really know. I just wanted to have everything just in case. And then I also got this adhesive pearl wrap. So it's just like this sticky, like pearl overlay. I've also got like sequiny kind of things like that, and then I've also got some like burlap ribbon. So I'm kind of thinking between the 3 of those, I will like maybe wrap this or put a decor on it or something, either to hide the foam or to, if I use the foam. If not, then I can just do something very decorative. So I just kind of wanted to be prepared with everything. And of course, you know, and again, it's like $10 worth of stuff. I'll probably get more than one arrangement out of some of the stuff and multiple uses out of a couple of the items as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this fall Dollar Tree haul. And if you did, show me you did by hitting that like button. Like I said, I will have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below, as well as my walkthrough playlist. I've been trying to do some more walkthroughs lately. I don't have many, but I do have a few. So I'll have that linked down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.